Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change your Switch debit card on Zelle app. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Step 1 is to open the Zelle app. So launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded this app from App Store or Google Play Store, just download it and sign in into your account using your account credentials. Step 2 is to access settings. So once you are logged in, locate and tap on the settings option within the app. This is usually represented by a gear or gear shaped icon and can be typically found in the top right or bottom navigation menu. Step 3 is to select bank account. So within the settings menu, look for an option such as bank accounts or payment methods. Tap on this option to access your linked bank accounts. Step 4, the next step is to review existing debit card in the bank accounts or payment methods section. You will see a list of your currently linked accounts. Locate the debit card you want to change or switch and select the option you want to select the option to remove it from your Zelle account. This step may involve confirming your identity or entering a verification code. Step 5 is to add the new debit card. So after removing the existing debit card, select the option to add a new payment method or bank account. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for your new debit card, such as the card number, expiration date, CVV, and associated bank details. Once you have entered the necessary information, save the changes, and this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.